I added a personalized AI sales agent to my website and I made over $200,000 in 1 month. It then doubled my conversion rate to over 6.4% conversion rate. Dropshippers are using this and it's 10xing their sales in minutes and incredibly easy to add to your website with a simple line of code. So in this video, you're going to learn why you're getting traffic to your website, but you're not making sales, how dropshippers are making millions using personalized AI shopping assistants to drastically reduce sales cycles, get people buying more products quicker from your website, and the $1 million AI sales agent that will double your conversion rates. And as a bonus, it will also run your business for you for only $30 a month. And if you stick around until the end of this video, which will be about 20 minutes long, you will also get free access to this exact sales agent that scaled my business to over $200,000 per month, and thousands of other people are using as well. So what is the problem? Well, you've probably gone onto YouTube and already searched for why you're getting traffic to your website, but you're not making sales. You've probably done a lot of research and you've realized that on average, an e-commerce store will get roughly 1% purchase rate, conversion rate. So this means for every 100 people who land on your website, only one person will buy. That means if you're selling a $50 product for 100 clicks, you're making $50. But in my case, where I have an e-commerce store here that's running at a 6.4 conversion rate, that means I am making 6 times the amount of revenue that you are because I'm using personalized AI shopping. So that means for 100 people visiting my website, I actually make $300. So I'm making a significant amount more revenue and profit than you are in my business because I am using personalized AI shopping. I'm going to show you exactly how to do this as well. But as a caveat to this, this also means I'm able to outbid you in marketing in every single way. Whether I'm paying for marketing, whether I'm paying for influencers, it's paid ads, whatever it is, I can now spend more to acquire a customer because I can get more customers and I know that I can get higher conversion rates and more revenue from each customer. So why is this happening to you? Well, it's happening because you've got confused customers. Customers go through a buying journey before they purchase from you. And the easiest way to understand this is to think about your personal buying experience buying from a non-established brand like Amazon. What typically happens is you first go through an awareness period. This is where you learn about a brand and a product. So for example, this could be learning about me as my personal brand and learning about my YouTube and what I teach within e-commerce. You're currently in the awareness stage of learning about me. The consideration stage is where you start to think about the products that I offer, the services that I offer, whether it's going to be useful for you. Maybe you do some research, maybe you can compare me to some competitors. This is the consideration phase until finally it comes to the decision phase. Now, typically within e-commerce, we're selling a product that is either an emotional sell or it is a problem sell, which means somebody's coming to your website and they're shopping around trying to find a product that solves their problem, or they have an emotional attachment to buying that product. Either way, that is part of the consideration phase. And this is, for example, when you're buying a new car or whatever it is, where you have that excitement on, oh, this is going to happen soon, I can't wait to get this. Then there's the final decision. This is where you then decide to purchase this product. And this typically happens anywhere between 5 to 30 touch points within somebody's business. So a customer will typically purchase after they've seen the product anywhere between 5 and 30 times. So you need to either find a way of getting people to get to that decision process quicker by showing them the product more, or you need to help them with this consideration phase. And then obviously finally the product gets delivered and there's delight on that customer's side. So I'm going to show you how we're actually doing this with personalized AI shopping, which is actually now reducing this consideration period and this awareness period, which takes us from here to here in a matter of seconds rather than having to wait for days for that customer to make a decision. And what happens is we basically take all of the product information from our store and we plug it into an AI that can then recommend products to customers on our website, and it can answer any of their questions through a chatbot. So in this case, somebody's asked about recommending a product for dry skin, and the AI has given this specific product. It knows from the product information on this page that it's going to help them with dry skin. But there is a long buying cycle that somebody will go through before they purchase a product. And typically this buying cycle here is what takes them time. This buying cycle is them doing research. It's them trying to understand whether that product is going to help them. For example, they want to know how much do they have to use per usage and how long will a bottle last. And you can see here the AI is dealing with that. It's telling them you want to use 2 to 5 ml per application. For the conditioning oil, you want to leave it in for 20 minutes. So it's letting them know how they need to use the product. This is now keeping them on the website. They don't have to go elsewhere and find this information out. They don't have to scour through the reviews to find this information because the AI has access to all of that information. Then they could ask, for example, I need to get this before my friend's birthday in 1 week's time. Will it arrive? The AI knows about the shipping times of your business. So in this case, 3 to 5 days is going to be enough time for the thing to arrive for 1 week, within 1 week. Again, is there a way to gift wrap it? And here's a really cool thing that the AI is able to do. It's able to compare different products. It's able to look through your entire website. And in this case, it said, look, if you go ahead and purchase the 3 soaps, they already come gift wrapped. So that might be a good option for you. But if the customer's confused, it can then handle that concern. So in this case, so only the bundle comes gift wrapped. What about the face oil? In this case, the face oil does not specifically mention it coming as gift wrapped, but it does know that you can maybe request gift wrapping. Finally, if that customer would like to buy the product, it's able to give them a link to that product so they can go ahead and buy that product. So whatever page they're on the website, they can go ahead and purchase that specific product, and that then moves into them converting into a customer. So this buying cycle here has been completely automated by AI, and this AI is able to understand every single product on your website. So imagine when somebody lands on a website like this is the sample that I used. When somebody lands on this and they go to the shop page on the website, they are faced with a whole load of information. They're faced with tons of different products and they don't know what one's good for them. They don't know which product's going to help them solve their specific problem. Now imagine if there was an AI that was able to do this. Well, that is exactly what I've built here. And you can see this is the example conversation that I just went through. Recommend me a product. How much do I have to use per usage? I need to get this before my friend's birthday. This is a live conversation that I have created. And you can embed this AI chatbot onto your website. Now, there's probably some of you out there who are saying, okay, awesome, but now I've just got to trust you that this is true. Well, don't just take my word for it. We've got over 12,000 users using our product, and you can see the results that they are getting. If we just go onto the website here, the link for this, by the way, is down below in the product, in the description. It's incredibly easy to use. The first thing you need to do is connect to your store. And this is training the AI sales agent on your website's data. Now it's able to read all of the product pages from your website. Secondly, embed it into your website. And third, scale your ads and start pushing more traffic. The more traffic you get in, the more questions that customers are going to have, and the more that you can learn from your customers, and the more the AI will be able to learn. The more questions that come in, the better the better the AI actually learns. So here, I want to buy my girlfriend a gift, probably around $50. What can I get her? And again, it's recommended 2 specific products. It's recommended the gift box and also a rose bath bar. It's also given them a discount code, and it's told them since it's over $50, yeah, they can use this discount code. Cool. That is dramatically increasing conversion rates, but I want to show you some of the testimonials here. This guy tried out the beta and honestly very impressed. The AI can read all product pages and just recommend the perfect product to a customer. It took his conversion rate from a 0.9% to a 2% in just under a day. So he doubled his conversion rate. This guy has made $42,000 in 30 days. This guy here was asking what is AI product recommendations app that he used. He used Chat IQ to do this, and this is the software that I'm talking about. Finally, my first store hit over $1,000 in a single day, trying out a new general store using TikTok Organic and Chat IQ product recommendations, and he made over $1,000 in a day. This guy made over $50,000 in a single month with a 4% conversion rate and 25% profit margins. Basically letting Chat IQ handle product recommendations. You can go ahead and you can read through all of these testimonials. You can see some of the results our customers are getting. And guys, this is going to be able to be used for free for 7 days. You can actually then use it for free. Afterwards, it's $30 per month. You can embed it into your website. This is what it looks like. You can actually build multiple chatbots and you can then brand them for your own company. So if you want to add your logo, you can go ahead and do that. Guys, the link is down below in the description. If you've got any questions on this, don't forget to ask me down below in the description. To get set up, all you need to do is add your company data. So click on the upload data button. It's going to take you through to a free trial, by the way. So put in your card details. Once you start your free trial, go ahead to the dashboard and upload your data. Here, you can see here, I've just scraped Chat IQ's website. It's only come back with 9 URLs, but if you've got a bigger website, then it's going to take all of that information. You can see if we go onto this chatbot, when we go to the data feed, all of the different products are actually pulled in. So we've got all the product information here. Then we're going to build the chatbot, and then we can actually customize and train that chatbot. We can actually customize the branding. So guys, the link is down below in the description. If you've got any additional questions, you can watch this video here. This will teach you about the product and how it can help you. And if you've got any other questions, let me know down below in the comments.